I am Viridiana Orendain. I'm a global real estate advisor with Los Cabos Sotheby's International Realty. This place has been my home for more than 30 years. I have seen this destination grow, change, and become one of the most special markets in Mexico. Since 2019, I have been working with clients through buying, selling, and investing. My focus is simple: clear strategy, honest advice, and strong support from the start to finish. This community means a lot to me. My mind feels free when I'm on a mountain bike, teeing off on a golf course, or helping local animal wellness groups. Real estate for me is not about property. It's about trust, vision, and guidance. If your next step is here in Los Cabos, I am here to help you take it with confidence.